It's a fact of life in the metal industry that Bessey is the final word on clamping, and the Bessey high-performance clamps show it. From the medium-duty 1800 series through to the extra high-pressure 8500 series, these clamps deliver. Let's take a look why. Always the innovator, Bessey Tools has moved the hand clamping category standard forward once again. Bessey's patented rail profile with a 2-to-1 ratio was the de facto industry standard for decades. Now Bessey has refined that rail profile to something in excess of 2-to-1 to provide even better clamping force and durability. Because of these patented design revisions, the clamp's rail profile has even greater substance along the axis where clamping force is applied while still maintaining the hourglass profile that has been so successful in minimizing lateral torque forces. The result is a more rigid profiled rail that permits one to achieve a higher maximum clamping force quickly and efficiently. The new cross-arm design is the result of Bessey applying cutting-edge technology to the already efficient Bessey clamp design. By optimizing how the force is transferred from the arm to the rail, Bessey was able to create a design that transferred the force equally along the entire cross-section of the arm rather than only down the middle. The design is more stable, more safe, and provides a more efficient transfer of force. A good metaphor to better understand the result is that the transfer of force occurs like it does on a suspension bridge, down both sides, instead of a single beam of stress down the middle. Another addition is the Bessey More Pad. This heavy-duty pad is a unique patented innovation of Bessey that makes the clamping more efficient but also extends the life of the tool immensely. The secret of the More Pad is in the socket. The sintered steel insert is soaked with oil, then further lubricated, and then seated into a precisely fitting steel socket. It functions much like a human hip and applies pressure over a large area evenly. On other clamps, the pad usually used has a very narrow point of contact. The result is galling, which gets worse over time and greatly reduces the clamp's efficiency. Bessey high-performance clamps do not experience nearly the same degree of galling and will maintain full pressure for far longer than standard clamps in the market. This is a serious consideration for safe clamping. These feature improvements, combined with the standard Acme thread, handle with grip, and the detailed precision in tools that Bessey is renowned for, make the high-performance clamp series the top-of-the-line tool in the steel hand clamping industry. Bessey high-performance clamps range in pressure from 1,800 to 8,500 pounds of clamping force and openings from 8 to 60 inches. If you're looking for the best clamping tools to use in welding or metal fabrication, Bessey has the clamps that deliver superior results safely and more efficiently. You can find out more about Bessey Tools online at besseytools.com.